Question 11. The explosion of a mixture consisting of 1 volume of a gas being studied and 1 volume of hydrogen yielded 1 volume of water vapor and 1 volume of nitrogen, the volumes being measured under identical conditions. Find the formula of the gas being studied. On explosion with hydrogen, the gas being studied forms water vapor and nitrogen. Therefore, the gas must be containing nitrogen and oxygen. Let the formula of the gas be NXOY, and on explosion with hydrogen it forms nitrogen and water vapor. Now according to the question, the volume of the gas is 1, volume of hydrogen 1, volume of nitrogen 1, and volume of water vapor is 1. Now under identical conditions of temperature and pressure, the relative volume represents the relative number of moles. Therefore, applying principle of atom conservation on nitrogen atom, we can write X into moles of NXOY is equal to 2 into moles of nitrogen. This is equal to X into 1, which is equal to 2 into 1. Therefore, X is equal to 2. Now applying principle of atom conservation on oxygen atoms, we get Y into moles of NXOY is equal to 1 into moles of water vapor. This is equal to Y into 1 equals to 1 into 1. Therefore, Y is equal to 1. Therefore, the molecular formula of the compound is N2O.